Alright, this is the elevator at the Gap store in Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota. I think this is a Montgomery, but has made some modifications to it. See the blue? Really nice color. And here's the indicator. The indicator is also blue. By the way, the elevator is not from Montgomery, it's an MEI. Here we are. We're gonna go to 2. Right, here we are. We're gonna go back to G. Right here we are. We're gonna take it for one more ride, like I always do. Here are your fixtures. Here's the ADA compliant phone. Really like this innovation fixtures and stuff. The indicator sounds great though. Here, let's take a cab view. Really nice. Here's a security camera. I think I give up my thoughts. I'm gonna go one more ride. Just so you guys can see the indicator. This elevator runs great and it's sort of fast. See here, let me show you something. So when you press whatever button, the indicators come on. Really like the wood. Here's the ceiling. And we'll end our tour here. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.